Miss Angel Luxin. Contestant number 3, Miss Marian Rivera. Contestant number 4, Casey Concepcion. Contestant number 5, Miss Ann Curtis. And of course, our last but not the least, contestant number 6, Miss Angelica Panganiban. There they are, ladies and gentlemen, all our wonderful candidates on their swimwear. Let's give a big hand to our beautiful, wonderful candidates. Thank you very much, ladies. Thank you. They will now all get ready for the gown portion, right? Okay. Thank you, ladies. We'll be seeing you in a little while.
Shit, you're sexy. Remove the vanity. Remove it.
Thank you very much, lady. Wow. Our guys are having a real excitement around here, right, guys? Well, you haven't seen much because they're still gonna come back on their gown portion in a little while. And of course, once again, we'll be getting all those lovely, beautiful candidates. We'll be back on the gown portion. Once again, we'd like to say thank you to our wonderful sponsors. Thank you to our wonderful judges. We've got, of course, Gretchen Barrett of Dubai. We've got Miss Universe 2010, Mr. Dubai 2010. They're all giving their points. And of course, our criteria. We got intelligence 50%, beauty 20%, and gay art 30%, a total of 100 points. And of course, once again, our candidates for tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we've got Miss Valerie Concepcion, Miss Angel Luxin, Miss Marian Rivera, Miss Casey Concepcion, Miss Ann Curtis, and the last but not the least, Miss Angelica Panganiban. They're now all getting ready. They'll be back on the gown portion in a little while. Okay, so we'll have a bit of a break. We'll be back on the gown portion. Thank you very much.
Oh, may sponsor.